Hi dear students, good morning to all. Today I want to showing one important point regarding to your examination, that is CBSE term 2 mathematics question paper blueprint. What are the important points, what we want to concentrate the important points with related to the CBSE board. Dear students, you well know the mathematics question paper containing three parts. Those are part A 2 marks question, part B 3 marks question, and part C 4 marks question. So all parts I give the important points how they will be taken the questions from all the 7 chapter for your term 2 examination. So I will give the information now, you can understand that. Okay, dear students, you can see here as yes. See, I give the complete information about the CBSE term 2 examination 2021 and 22, what you wrote on May 5. So dear students, now we are discussing the mathematics subject. So I give the complete information about the blueprint of the question paper grade 10. So how we can getting the smart work getting as the guarantee of out pakka marks. So if you concentrate here, you are getting ultimately 40 out of 40. I give the guarantee, dear students. So dear students, you are well known about your question paper. That question paper containing part A, part B and part C. Now first one I introduce the part A, that is 2 marks question. In that, for the first question will be comes from quadratic equation. On that, how the question will be framed. Solve the x value like finding the root of quadratic equation by using the factorization method or by taking the discriminant value. And also here find the k value. This is a very important question. Find the k value by using quadratic formula. It means that, I hope you are knowing, that is discriminant, as d is equal to b square minus 4ac, isn't it? So by using that you can finding the k value. Then second question will be comes from arithmetic progression. I referred more than 10 question paper of the board sample question paper what they will be released. I get this blueprint. Okay, so the third question will be comes from the circles. In this they will be asked how then finding the length of the tangent and from the help of the theorem to calculate the distance between the tangent and exterior point. Okay, so sometimes the related to the chord and interior angle, some of angle, some property of triangle and some supplementary of the angles, they will be asked to finding the theta as you are knowing. Then fourth question will be comes from surface area and volumes. So that question will be framed like finding the TSA or CSA of the cylinder and also the sphere, hemisphere. Sometimes they will be asked the conversion of the shapes from one to another. Please concentrate these points on that chapter. Then fifth questions will be come from the statics. In this they will be asked to finding the x value, y value or missing frequency like mode, median, mean by the help of, and also they will be asked sometimes empirical formula as the relation between the mode, median and mean. Yes, the sixth questions will be comes from statics also as to finding the x and cf, then missing frequency. Please try to concentrate that chapter, very important. Then come to knowing about the part B, each questions carrying 3 marks. So for the 7 questions will be comes from arithmetic progression or in sometimes quadratic equations. So if that question will be come from the arithmetic progression, they will be definitely asked solve the an or find the nth term of the arithmetic progression by the help of the an formula and sn formula by the help main general formula. So on these you can concentrate the exercise 4.2 and 4.3. Yes, I hope you are understanding. Next come to knowing the 8th one. The 8 questions will be comes from the some applications of trigonometry or the AP. If they will be asked in here by the chapter applications of trigonometry, finding the heights and distance, as you are well known, aeroplanes example, and finding the height of the pole, distance between the boats like that, and also the lighthouse. Okay, observe those examples, word example. Then 9th question, surface area and volumes, and also sometimes they will be asked some applications of trigonometry might as the circle. If they will be asked as the trigonometry, here also the same concept what you are getting as the example lighthouse, sometimes the circle as to well knowing some as the standard result examples of the circles like that, as you are proving the tangent as in the quadrilateral type questions you can concentrate here. Then 10 questions will be comes from the construction as the division of the line in the ratio m is to n, or in sometimes they will be asked surface area and volume. If they will be given like that, you can observe on that question conversion of the shapes. Okay, then also construction of the tangent from the exterior point, you can concentrate on that. I hope you are getting. Then move towards the next. Dear students, this is very important part. All questions carrying 4 marks. 11 questions will become sometimes surface area and volume, sometimes the trigonometry, or sometimes the circle. If they will be asked from trigonometry, the same things as to finding the heights and distance of the object, some important questions you are seen many times again and again, lighthouse example, aeroplane example, and boat example, and also distance between from the horizontal to the cloud example, like that you can observe that one. And also sometimes they will be asked as the find the acute angle by using inverse trigonometry. Okay, please concentrate that. Then 12 questions will be come from the statics or the circle. If they will be asked the questions from the statics, they will be definitely asked find the mean and mode or median or mode, like that. So they will be you can taking from those important questions what you already seen by the help of the missing frequency and finding the cumulated frequency in this chapter. If they will be asked the based on the circle chapter, they will be definitely asked the theorem 2 related the examples. Then 13th question, that will become sometimes in some question paper surface area and volumes, in some question paper quadratic equation. If they will be asked from the surface area and volume, definitely that question will becomes from as conversion of the shapes from what sphere to hemisphere or cylinder to the cone, like that. And also some word problems are there, just try to knowing those things and make it some notes, then get the out marks. Then last question, dear students, I hope you are getting. The last questions will be comes from some applications of trigonometry in some sample question paper, then AP in some sample question paper, and also sometimes quadratic equations also they will be asked, also the statics. So these questions some more and more important towards the case study. So if the questions will be comes from the AP, they will be definitely asked the case study questions, word problem. Then if they will be asked the questions from the stack, definitely they will be asked find the mode or median if they are both. Next, they will be asked from the yes, some applications of trigonometry. Definitely they will be asked case study questions finding the heights and distance with respect to different situation. Please concentrate those questions. I hope dear students understood. Yes, so you are well now as M&M. Thank you dear students. My wish to only one, you get in the examination out of out marks in my subject. That is only what credit you can give me. All the best for your examination and thank you for watching this video. Share more and more. So next I will come from the important examples each 7 chapters. 3 important example I will solve in the next session. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day. Bye dear students. Try to concentrate the question paper and also you have to concentrate important points. Do the smart work. Get the out of out result. I want to your result must be out of out. So crack it. Get the first rank in your CBSE board exam in mathematics. Thank you.